The world is going green, and that means careers in solar and renewable energy. RPA uses software to automate repetitive tasks. Blockchain is more than just cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin. In today's episode, we're diving into the top 18 emerging technology trends of 2022 and beyond. So, if you're an IT professional or just a tech enthusiast, stay tuned because this is a must-watch. Our first trend is 3D printing. Imagine printing real objects from a machine. It's not science fiction anymore. 3D printing has revolutionized industries like medicine and manufacturing. Jobs like 3D printer engineer and AI trainer are on the rise. These roles require expertise in AI machine learning, modeling, and, of course, 3D printing. Next up, we have energy solutions. The world is going green, and that means careers in solar and renewable energy are booming. Energy specialists, climate strategy specialists, and renewable energy engineers are in high demand. To excel in this field, you'll need a background in science and environmental qualifications. Robotic process automation, or RPA, is another game changer. RPA uses software to automate repetitive tasks, making jobs more efficient. While it may threaten some jobs, it's creating new ones too. Careers like RPA developer and RPA analyst offer high salaries. So, if you're into IT, keep an eye on RPA. Now, let's talk about quantum computing. This technology leverages quantum phenomena and is making strides in fields like healthcare and finance. Companies like Microsoft and Google are investing heavily in this area. To succeed, you'll need expertise in quantum mechanics, linear algebra, probability, and machine learning. Moving on to VR, AR, and ER, virtual reality, augmented reality, and extended reality. These technologies are not just for gaming. They have applications in training, education, marketing, and more. The AR and VR market is expected to reach a whopping $209.2 billion by 2022, creating countless opportunities for professionals in this field. Blockchain is more than just cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin. It offers secure data storage and validation across various industries. Blockchain developers are in high demand, earning competitive salaries. To enter this field, you'll need skills in programming languages, data structures, and web app development. Last but not least, we have 5G, the future of connectivity. 5G will revolutionize how we browse the internet, use data-driven services, and even enable technologies like AR and VR. Telecommunication giants like Verizon and Apple are investing heavily in 5G. It's predicted that 5G will cover 40% of the world by 2024, making it a technology trend you must keep an eye on. In conclusion, the tech world is evolving faster than ever before. As IT professionals or tech enthusiasts, it's crucial to stay updated with these emerging trends. Whether it's 3D printing, energy solutions, RPA, quantum computing, AR and VR, blockchain, or 5G, there are plenty of exciting career opportunities waiting for you. Remember, the key to success in these fields is continuous learning and adaptability. Embrace these trends, acquire the necessary skills, and you'll be well prepared for the jobs of tomorrow. So, which of these trends intrigues you the most? Let us know in the comments below. That's all for today's episode. If you found this video informative and inspiring, don't forget to like for more tech updates and insights. Stay curious and stay ahead in the world of technology. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next episode.